Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to a true marvel of technology, the Asus Zenbook Duo laptop. This sleek powerhouse isn't just another laptop, it's a game-changer. With its cutting-edge design and innovative features, it's bound to leave you in awe. It's not just powerful, it's a multitasking maestro. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey and explore the wonders of the Asus Zenbook Duo laptop together. Buckle up because you're in for an exhilarating ride. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Let's start with the display. Featuring dual 14-inch OLED 3K 120Hz touch displays, it promises an unparalleled level of immersion. Whether you're a creative visionary, a multitasking virtuoso, or a dedicated gamer, this laptop is engineered to meet and exceed your expectations. Its versatile design ensures seamless transitions between work and play, making it the ultimate companion for every task. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to a world of endless possibilities with the Asus Zenbook Duo laptop. The Asus Zenbook Duo stands out with its prestigious Intel Evo certification, guaranteeing unmatched performance and responsiveness. Equipped with the formidable Intel Core Ultra 9 185H CPU and Intel Arc graphics, this laptop is a powerhouse ready to tackle even the most demanding tasks and graphics-intensive applications with ease. From seamless multitasking to silky smooth gaming experiences, it effortlessly raises the bar for performance and efficiency. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your creativity and productivity with the Asus Zenbook Duo at your fingertips. The Asus Zenbook Duo boasts a sleek and innovative design that sets it apart from traditional laptops. With its dual-screen setup, featuring dual 14-inch OLED 3K 120Hz touch displays, it offers an immersive and versatile user experience. The compact and portable form factor makes it ideal for on-the-go professionals and creatives. Its precision-engineered chassis not only enhances durability but also exudes elegance and sophistication. The Zenbook Duo's design seamlessly combines style with functionality, making it a standout choice in the world of modern computing. With multi-screen versatility, find the mode that best suits your task and seamlessly switch between them. Expand your workspace with dual screen or desktop mode, share content effortlessly in sharing mode, or snap everything back into one for laptop mode. Let's dive into the impressive specifications. Boasting a massive 32 GB of RAM and a blazing fast 1 TB SSD, the Asus Zenbook Duo ensures you'll never fret over memory or storage constraints again. Bid farewell to frustrating lags and interruptions as you seamlessly juggle multiple tasks and applications. With ample memory and storage at your disposal, your workflow will remain uninterrupted, allowing you to focus solely on unleashing your creativity and productivity. Experience the freedom of boundless possibilities with the Asus Zenbook Duo's exceptional performance and unrivaled efficiency. No matter the task, from video editing to graphic design, or even streaming while multitasking, the Asus Zenbook Duo effortlessly rises to the occasion. Its robust hardware and finely tuned software ensure seamless performance across all applications. With the Zenbook Duo by your side, you can tackle any project with confidence, knowing that your workflow will remain smooth and uninterrupted. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to limitless creativity with the Asus Zenbook Duo. You can also enjoy the apps in dual-screen mode. You will have very amazing multitasking experience at the same time. Experience the pinnacle of user-friendliness with Windows 11 pre-installed on the Asus Zenbook Duo. Revel in a seamless and intuitive interface enriched with productivity-enhancing features. Windows 11's sleek and modern design perfectly complements the Zenbook Duo's aesthetic, creating a harmonious synergy between form and function. Navigate effortlessly through tasks and applications, maximizing efficiency and minimizing distractions. Embrace a new era of computing excellence with the Asus Zenbook Duo and Windows 11 working in perfect harmony. So, whether you're a creative professional looking for a portable workstation, a student needing a versatile laptop for school projects, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the Asus Zenbook Duo is the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the Asus Zenbook Duo laptop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Until next time, happy computing.